This is the orange list. Number 1, stopping. The car is stopping because the light has turned red. Number 2 is jogging. I go jogging in the morning before school starts. Number 3 is fixing. Mr. Kane is fixing our soap dispenser. Number 4 is hiking. We plan to go hiking in the mountains. Number 5 is reading. We will finish our reading lesson and then go outside to play. Number 6 is moving. The baby keeps moving and playing on the floor. Number 7 is standing. I hope you're standing and facing front so our line can move. Number 8 is winning. The winning lottery numbers are 5, 7, and 9. Number 9 is making. I finished making dinner and then called my family to come and eat. Number 10 is tuning. He is tuning the piano so it's ready to go for the concert.